Dear students, last classes you are studying the 7th standard. Welcome to the new classes. You come to the new classes, high schools, 8th standard. For holidays, most of the classes in TV, Chandana TV. All of the students, the Chandana TV, the classes is a very important classes, but we are not to the saw in the classes. But more troubles in your homes. Your so many problems are to you. But some students are saw in the Chandana TV, or some students are homeworks and give to me and correction to it. But all our students is not able to do that classes. Okay. So all of you come to schools, but 8th class admissions, 8th class the second language English, the first lessons a day in the ashram. Ashram means ancient schools, one type of the schools. But today was effective of the schools, the ashram. The more of the is eldest in our brothers, eldest brother, fathers, so many is elder fathers almost study in villages. On every villages is not the ashrams, but so many classes, Puri Mata, some areas to any other classes in the villages peoples, that village peoples. But nowadays you are class to so many classes in the four walls inside the classes. All but these classes so many problems. Some students, some classes, some schools, so many strength in the classes. In the one sections, 35 above 40, 60 in the classes. Are more effective in nowadays of the classes. But today the ashrams, some students are come to the schools. Even the classes, for 8 or 10 students in the classes. The classes was begin in three inside, also in under the trees and so many speeds. The classes, classes was very effective that time. Nowadays the ashrams, about of the ashrams, how to the ashrams students study, how to the system of the ashrams, how to the effect of that today the ashram schools students. Nowadays the day in the ashrams, the second language in English, the day in the ashrams. Now first he was begins the closely words, difficult words. Charitas, the member of choice. Member of choice. Child, a group of singers. Singing. Diamonds, a song of price. Song of price. Amoloki, a tree. A tree. Reverence, respect. You respect. Do you know that? Respect. The day in the ashrams, all the books, taking the books, open the books, the study, how you follow it. A day in the ashrams. This lesson was written by C.F. Andrews. Charles Perez Andrews. Full meaning, Charles Perez Andrews. He was born in 1871, was died in 1940, was an English priest of the church in England. He was an educator and Indian freedom fighter. He became a Mahatma Gandhi's closest friend and associate. Andrews reveals his experience while he stayed in the ashrams. Shantiniketan was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. It is a school with difference where students learn with great joy. C.F. Andrews, Charles Perez Andrews, was born in 1871. He was died in 1940. Was an English priest. Priest means also know that Hindu gods. Who is the worship of the Hindu gods? The priest, pujari. Or is same to the in church appointed to the religious leaders, religious main persons. Also it is a priest in church, the Church of England, church, priest is also workman. He was an educator, ವಿದ್ವಾಂಸರಾಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪದಕರಾಗಿ and Indian freedom fighters. This was a Indian freedom fighters. Usually ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟದ ಸಹ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಇವರು. He became a Mahatma Gandhi's closest friend. ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ಉತ್ತಮ ಸಹಾಯಕರು ಸಹ ಹೌದು. And this reveals his experience while he was stayed in the ashram. Andrews ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನು, ಆಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಟಾಗೂರ್. Who is the founded the Shantiniketan? Shantiniketan was founded by the Rabindranath Tagore. It is a school with a difference. This is a school is a difference. Also, this now that begin the classes. School nowadays schools, ashrams, that schools is very difference. Where study learn with a great joy. How to study in the students in the ashram learn with a great joy. How do you not disappoint in the classes? In nowadays classes? No. But that is the ashram is a students learn. How to learn? The great joy. ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕು. ಕಲಿಯುವಂಥ ಹುಡುಗರು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಕಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. Are you know that know about the writers? This lesson was written Charles Andrews about the in life of his life. Who are all that? Next was a only words. Continue lesson. Words cannot picture to me the beauty of Shantiniketan, our own poet and teachers, who we call Gurudeva, as named it in his songs. Thus, the darling of our hearts, and it is a worthy of the name. All who have visited the ashrams, all old and young alike, have felt its inner beauty growing more and more upon them. One day, in the ashrams, with the boys, that good boys, perhaps best brings home and your its inner beauty long before the sunrises like the birds to our own Amaloki grouse. Our boys are awake. The charioteers are the Iman. You can hear the voices in the distance, driving nearer and nearer. And then the sound dies away as the joy paces, and with the nearer and the beauty of the sound in the silent something air and the sense of the joyous reverency which it bring gave peace to the soil. 4. After the interval, each boy was taken to say asana. He says, fire up cockpit into the fields and sits down to meditate in the own places alone. Later on, before the schools, work begins. The boys all stand together in the shade of the trees and sing there the hymn. Till about all past 10 the work of the schools goes on. We have no classrooms. The boys with the teachers in the open the hay. Under the trees, there are no lodges of the classes. A group of the 8-10 boys are seated around the teachers, asking him the questions. Very few books are used. A greater what is a carry on, though over sessions, the boys soon learn to open out all their difficulties to the teachers. And the teachers get keenly interested in the boys' questions and answer to such, leaving the education can never be dull. Next, verse continuously. Words cannot the pictures to you the beauty of Shantiniketan's. Words cannot the pictures. ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಆ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಯನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತೇ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪದಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಪಯಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಯು whom he called Gurudeva was named it is a songs. Our own poet is one of Rabindranath was a own poet, also a poet, a freedom poetess. Also, whom he called Gurudevas. Whom he called Gurudeva. Who is the Gurudeva? Who is the called Gurudeva? Rabindranath called to Gurudeva. Okay, Gurudeva. Yes, named it in this song, the darling of our hearts. Yes, named it is this song, the darling of our hearts. The song of name is a darling of the hearts. And it is a very worthy of name. Worthy of the name. Our name and our yogyatena, darling of the hearts. All who have visited the ashram, old and young. Old and young. As I have felt inner beauty growing more and more upon them, more and more upon them. Whom is called the Gurudeva's name? The song, the darling of Tabati. All who have visited the old and young. Who is the visited? Any of these old and young are alike felt with the inner beauty and growing moving further and more them. Is there ಊಹಿಸಿದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಹುಡುಗರು ಮುದುಕರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಆಶ್ರಮಸೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲೈಕ್ ಯಾವ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯದನ್ನು ಗ್ರವಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದೇಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹೊಗಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಒನ್ ಡೇ ದ ಆಶ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಯು, ಒನ್ ಡೇ ದ ಆಶ್ರಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ದ ashrams that would be perhaps the best bring home to you is a inner beauty. ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಆಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದಂಥ ಒಂದಿನ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಆಶ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಟು ದ ಹೋಮ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಟು ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ long before the sunset, long before the sunset, like the birds in our Amaloki grouse, our voice was awake. The charters on the first rise and go to the town and ashram and singing and the morning the Ayman. Only Amaloki means a tree birds ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅಮೋಲಕಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾವ ಅಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿಯ ಆಧಾರದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಆ ಮರದಿಂದ ಇರುವಂಥ ಅಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಅಮೋಲಕಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೇಕ್. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಆ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿ ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎದ್ದು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ a charitas are the first and they go around the ashram. The charitas are the ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಚಾರಿಟಸ್ ಆದನ್ನ ಹಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶ್ರಮದ ಸುತ್ತ ಚಾರಿಟಸ್ನೇ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರನ ಸಂಗೀತವನ್ನು ಹಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂಗೀತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಅಮರ ಓನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅಮರ ಅವೇಕ್ ದ ಚಾರಿಟಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ರೌಂಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವ ಭಜನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಸುತ್ತ ಆಶ್ರಮದ ಸಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈಮನ್ಸ್ ದೇವರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಿಯರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೈಸ್ ಟು ಅವೇ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತೇ ಸೌಂಡು ದೂರ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. The choice was a process on the another part of ashram, and again comes to the near end, and ಮತ್ತೆ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. And the beauty of the sound in the silence of morning air. ಈ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ and ಸೌಂದರ್ಯತೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಏರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ತಂಪಾದ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜಾಯ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿವರೆನ್ಸಿ, ಒಂದು ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಭಾವನೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಆಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೆವರೆನ್ಸಿ, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂತೆ, ಆಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡುವಂತೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಭಾವನೆ ಉಂಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೋಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದೋದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂತೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಮತ್ತು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯನ್ನು, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಾತ್ಸಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದೆನ್ interval each boy was after the early morning over and next to the after the morning the breakfast ನೋಡಿ after the interval each boy was takes to his ashram. Next first every early morning after that was was continued to the boys. Yes, next to continue to the boys interval and ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ and boy was there takes a asan ಇತ್ತು. Also who is the asan? ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಪೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಇನ್ ಟು ಪೀಸ್, go to the pits and sits down on it. Ali, or you go to the pits and the square pit into the pits and into the pit, and you sits on sit on it meditate. Sit on it meditate. What is the meaning of meditate? Meditate, yoga, asli. ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಧ್ಯಾನ. ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ. ಔಟುದ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಹಸಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟು ಧ್ಯಾನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಲನ್ನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂತಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಧ್ಯಾನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಆಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And in his own places alone, later on, own places are later on, and if the own places alone and the later on before the school work was begin. After this morning work, next he was before this school work was begins, the boys all stand together. all ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟುಗೆದರ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎತ್ತು ಕೂತು ಆ ಆಸನದಿಂದ ಎತ್ತು ಕೂತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮರದ ನೆರಳಿಗೆ ಕೂತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟದ ನೆರಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ದ ಐಮನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೇ ದ ಐಮನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ದೇವರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ದೇವರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ ದ work of the school was finished. All the morning work was finished. Next was work was begin. About all past of the time work was the school goes on. Schools he goes on to we have no class. If we have no go to the classes and go to the school, we have no classrooms. Are you in the schools? Are you not there? Today say go to the in the classrooms and buildings, so many buildings, but they say that the time or you go to school, there is no classroom, no schools, no buildings, but everybody classrooms. The boys are there with their teachers. The boys sit there with the teachers. When you go to the schools, sit on the fields and teachers surrounding. The group of the teachers surrounding a group of 8. Open teachers around open the hair. Teachers around under the trees or fields. There is no larger classes. But nowadays the most largest classes in first beginning are know that. Say that. But large silver classes there is no largest a group of 8 or 10. 8 or 10 boys are seated around in the teachers, around the teachers, the middle of the teachers, around the students, in the around the teachers, but everybody teachers sitting on the around the teachers and asking him questions. And teachers asking him questions. Around this asking him questions. Very few books. It is no more books. Nowadays of the in LKG, UKG, or maybe bring the heavy schools, so many bags in around the upon the bags. Teachers asking the questions and very few books and are used a great part of carried on through the conversations. Then you was classes you was entered to the so many of students not entered to you was classes into the not classes in the rooms, but is under the trees the teachers around the students and teachers asking questions. A few books are used. No many books, no many heavy books. only few books used. A greater part of the carried on through the conversations. A part of the through the conversation between students and teachers. So many conversations. The boys soon learn open out all the difficulties. Who is the students? They ask to the any difficulties question to the teachers. Teachers that the teachers was get keenly was interested and in the boys the question and answers. And same to the questions, same to the teachers. Asking to the students the questions, teachers get keenly was interested in the boys was a question and answer. Such leaving the education can never to be dull. But this education was any students never to be dull. It is not never to be dull. Nowadays the classes, so many class only was teaching is teacher was as a teaching, but is no understand for the students. Some students was understanding who is the intelligent students was understanding. Some was who is the dull students not understanding. No effective that teaching. But that time was so many. Who is the interested of the students? Which one of the interested that taking that root of the education that time. So many no dull for that today's the students. Right? That students. Okay. Now read the silent. When he was when he was morning work is over, the boys was bath and go to their meal. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the classes begin again, but at this time the work is cheaply with the yarns as well as with the mind. Yarn works is a practice, and the boys was own natural taste and very soon discovered. Some prepare to the carpentry, others prepare to the mechanical work, others enjoy to the spinning and weaving, others become to skilled and craftsmen are painters, others are musicians. Okay. When he was morning was over. What is over? The boys was next he was continuing to go to the bath. Go to the bath. Bath means go to the bath. Out of the bath means snana. And go to the meal. After the bath means over. Next to go to the meal. Meal about 2 o'clock afternoon and classes begin again. After the morning was over, next after continue for the afternoon or the class was begin. Then first he was go to the bath, after the meals, and about 2 o'clock afternoon the classes was begin. But at this time the work is cheerfully with the hands as well as with the mind. Handiwork is practiced. Handiwork is practiced. And boys was the own natural taste. Very soon discover some prepare to the carpentry. The afternoon classes was begin, but it was this the time work was cheaply. ಸರಳವಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು, ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ವರ್ಕ್. And when it was the mind of handy work, it was how to learn in your mind, how to learn in your interest, how to and time. And this time was work was cheaply and handiwork, and with this mind and handiwork was practiced. How to the interest of teacher, how to the teaching and how to the learn about the interest and practice. The boys was natural taste ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಯಾವ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಯಾವುದರ ಓದಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಡ್. ಅವರ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ತಕ್ಕನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರಿ. ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಡಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ. ನೀವು ಬಡಗಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಟು ದ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್, ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇಂಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನೇಯೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸ್ಪಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನೂಲುವುದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೇವಿಂಗ್ ನೇಯುವುದು. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ನೂಲುವುದು ನೇಯುವುದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಕೆಲವು ನೂಲನ್ನು ನೇಯುವುದು, ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ನೇಯುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ನೂಲನ್ನು ನೇಯುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಡ್, ಅವರ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ತಕ್ಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕರಡುಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಚಿತ್ರಕಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್, ಸಂಗೀತ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೂ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಂಗೀತ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ that is the take the practice that same way that teaching. There is a very little books work for the afternoon. Afternoon very little books is not so many which are use of the afternoon classes. It was only your mind, you are interested on the same to that classes and practice only you are interested of in the same study what the interested and work and same work in the early works. There is a very little book work as afternoon and school is over at about the 4 o'clock. And then where the rush to get first into the great open fields and for football over Sanskrit boys are the famous. Shantiniketan boys was famous every year the sports and games. And there are the very little books work was a afternoon. Okay, the school is over about 4 o'clock. After school over is afternoon plus school over is 4 o'clock, and then there was a rush get first into the great open the fields. And it was a afternoon class over in 4 o'clock. Next it was a very rush get first into the great open the fields in the football. Afternoon is a playgrounds and they go to the football in the overall Shantiniketan boys are famous. Now every year for the sports and games, Shantiniketan boys was famous for every year sports and games. It was under games for the sports and games. Next it was a questions arranged. Homework. What do you get? Assignment. Home assignment. Who named the school Shantiniketan? 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 When does the day in Shantiniketan begin? himself, they himself indicated begin. Next, what is termed by Gurudeva as what is termed by Next we will say second part of this story. In the evening at the sunset, they return from the field and sit down once more for a short time to meditate in silence. As the night comes and fairy tales are told, short dreams are recited over Gurudeva's songs, are sung at different school gathering are held by 9 o'clock. All are glad to retire the rest and again to the charities and go around. Ashrams were singing their last evening hymn. There can be no questions as to the happiness of the life. Our boys, there are the paces till the story of their joy and their freedom. There is no previous life in Indian than the life of our children at Shantini Ketan. Here already your afternoon classes. What are doing the afternoon classes? In how to the afternoon classes? About this 2 o'clock afternoon begin. Again about this the time the work is cheerfully with the hands was the well with the mind. How to the interested? How to the in your mind? And we was anti work was practiced. And the boys was only naturals the taste. Who is the taste of the natural? What is the taste of the naturals? Are very soon the discover. Some prepare the carpentry. Some prepare to the carpentry. Other prepare to the mechanical work. Who is the one is not which was the student interested. Which was the students was practiced. It was a very carpentry interested. Who is the boy is a carpentry? Who is going to the work in carpentry? Who is the go to the work in practice of the prepare to the mechanical works? Who is the students was a mechanical work interested? Who is go to the interest practice to the mechanical work? Same to others enjoy to the spinning. Who is the work of the work in the spinning? This go to the practice the going to the spinning. Another waving they interested, who is go to the waving. It is same to the others become to the skilled and depends only draft man. Who is the Kadu? Who is the draft? Who is the work with the interested draft man? The practice same and painters and also the magician. Who has work to the same. And there is a very after the work was in the over to the 4 o'clock, about the 4 o'clock, and then there was a rush and get pushed into the great open to the pits and football. And in your work was afternoon 4 o'clock was finished. Or you go to the students going to the fields and go to and practice the football. However, the Shantiniketan boys was famous for the games every year, and there the sports of game. What is the who is the famous which the famous for the students the Shantiniketan students was famous for football. Every year the win for the football. Was so many interest for the football. Next was the evening sunset. After the finish the work, after the over the afternoon work of schools, next was students was a evening at a time. What are doing time? What are they doing the evening time of students? In the evening at sunset, they return from the fields. In the evening at the sunset, they return from the wells and sit down once more for about time the meditate silence. Next evening the sunset ಎಲ್ಲಿ was the ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ silence ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗುತ್ತಿರೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ return to the fields after come to students and return to the come to the again to the schools period and they sit down again all the students on the fields and sit down once more. Next a short time ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈವನಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಭಾಳ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ನೋಟು ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾಸ್ ನೈಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ನೈಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಓವರ್ಸ್ ದ ಈವನಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೈಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ the fairy tales of the toads. All the gives public all of the tales of the toad. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಫೇರಿ ಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾಸ್ ಕೆಲವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಾಟಕಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಹ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ recited our Gurudeva songs and recited the next again the recited but Gurudeva songs was sung and different and school was and so gatherings are held. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿ ಗುರುದೇವ ಸಾಂಗ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್. ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಂಚೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಾವು ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ 9 o'clock when it was 9 o'clock after the night classes 9 o'clock all are glad to retire to the rest and again to the charitas. When it was by the 9 o'clock glad to the retire to the rest. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ರೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ರೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ನಿಂದ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಅವಧಿಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಆರಾಮತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಟು ದ ಚಾರಿಟಸ್ ಪುನಃ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು go around the ashrams and singing there the last evening the hymns. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದೇವರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರವನ್ನು ಈವನಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ದೇವರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರವನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು there can be no questions as the happiness of ಅವರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಹುಡುಗನು ಸಹ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಅಸಂತೋಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ದ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಟು ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗರು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ, ಯಾವ ಇದಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗರು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಜಾಯ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೇಸಸ್, ಅವರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ದೇರ್ ಜಾಯ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅವರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಕಥೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಜಾಯ್, ಸಂತೋಷ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್, ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯತೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಜಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಕಥೆ. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಅವರಿಗಿಂತ ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ನೋ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಅವರಿಗಿಂತ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು, ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಸಂತೋಷದ ಜೀವನ ಯಾರು ಸಹ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ್. ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ್ ಅಂತ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಈ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಅಂತ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ ಹುಡುಗರ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರುವಂಥಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಅಂತ ಆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಸಹ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ರ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅವರು ತನ್ನ ಆಶ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಂಥ ಆಶ್ರಮ ನೋಡಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸು ನೋಡಿ. ಊನೇಮದ ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಊನೇಮದ ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗೋರ್. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಂటే ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗೋರ್. Who does the day Shantiniketan begin? Who does the day? Long before sunrise. Long before. Next. Next. What is the Taru by the Gurudeva's drawing of the? ಇಲ್ಲಿ old and young feels inner the beauty of inner more than the more. That is the which paras used the paragraph in the mean both on old and young people. Old and young alike. That is good. Three, the boys of Shantiniketan get up early in the morning. Who are the risers? The birds in Avaloki grouse. What's up the Avaloki grouse? And same to the next questions. One more thing. Are you writing? Assignment. What kind of the work do the boys practice in the afternoon? What kind of the work do the boys practice? Practice in the afternoon. What are the Shantiniketan? What are the Shantiniketan boys famous for? famous for? Famous for. What are the sampling methods? How do the boys spend the money before they how did buy? Boys spend evening. Spend money. Spend evening before they go to bed.
Thủ tí vật
Hả?
đúng không?